Energy quadrant, an intraday reversal in the September crude oil contract. Crude was up in the morning session versus yesterday's close, getting up and actually claiming that $99 level in that September WTI crude oil futures contract, up 2.38% with a high of 99 even, but then it reversed and fell by almost the same amount that it rallied. On the low, 94.76, down about 2.01%, and we couldn't reclaim that 95 level, finishing the day down a little bit more than 1.8%, just below 95 on the WTI contract. Crude is now down 3 of the last 4 sessions and down a total move of 6% from the July 19 highs to today's approximate close. Now, the dollar was part of the reason for the early move, early weakness on falling yields. Yields fell today. 5-year fell about 5 basis points, 10-year back below 280 at about 276, falling about 4 or 5 basis points, 30-year falling. But then we brief weakness in the dollar turned around, and the dollar ended up putting in one of the better days that it's had through the second half of July. Again, especially biggest move against the euro. The dollar was strong against the euro, strong against the pound, mildly stronger against the yen, strong against the Canadian dollar as well. So that kind of took away that momentum to the upside for commodities in general, but especially crude oil. Also, the International Monetary Fund, the IMF, cut their global growth forecast, which started to give a little bit of demand fears into the crude oil markets. They cut their 2022 estimate to 3.2 GDP globally from a previous estimate of 3.6, and cut their 2023 forecast to 2.9 from the April estimate of 3.6. They also warned about the strength of inflation. So that overall warning put a little bit of a bearish tone into crude oil for the rest of the session.